Welcome back to the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. Today's gonna be pretty busy. I think I've rescheduled 2 appointments for a couple of reasons. It's raining. It's kind of nice weather while I say that. It looks blue above me. You can hear the rain though. It's just finishing up. However, that gave me a good reason to postpone one of the things I was doing this morning, which wasn't urgent either way. So I think I can do that tomorrow. And then one of the other appointments I had this afternoon is gonna take a couple hours longer than I was thinking. We're gonna do something additional, so another good reason to postpone for tomorrow. I'm not gonna have enough time for that today, and that's because I'm heading up to Dave's. So I've got to get this block out of here. I've got all my rebuild stuff, everything, I guess. I was gonna say, let me check out there. There's nothing out there. I've got everything packed up in bins, and I've got my gaskets. Dave's has had that stuff done for a little bit. We've just been trying to link up for a few weeks. But before I can head up there at the middle of the day, I've got to go get a couple of cars fixed. So I'm gonna do that. My buddy's gonna come over and help at midday. We're gonna head up there with everything I have for the come-ins and see what Dave's got. All right, it's still raining. The weatherman said it was gonna clear up in an hour ago. More than that. Weatherman said it was going to clear up in 30 minutes an hour ago. They always lie. Anyways, I'm here with this first car. All I know is it won't start. They just put a new battery in it and it still won't start. So it could be the starter, who knows. I'm going to be trying out this jump box. Oh, this isn't just a jump box. This is an air inflator from YESPER. I've used YESPER jump boxes before. Some of their stuff, pretty good. So I'm excited to check this out. Plus, whenever you could combine a jump starter with something else, I've always thought a jump starter with an air compressor would be the ultimate mobile mechanic tool. This is the first one I've ever had. So the first thing I'm gonna do is, I was gonna say test the battery. We could just try to jump start it first. That would pretty much tell us the same thing. 150 PSI. Dang, this thing's crazy. I like the green too. Okay, that's looking good. Stay up here. That's looking good. I'll probably have to charge this thing up, but it'll probably jump it off once or twice. You might want to fully charge yours before you use it though. All right, this thing looks pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. Plus the green light on the green box. We got some battery. I'll use this to fill up the tire too. I want to check it out, but I'm assuming it's pretty fast. Feels sturdy. Okay, let's try and start it first without that. Do I have the key? I think it is keyless. And it's starting to come down. I feel like I'm in Oregon or something. Yeah, don't want to move their seat too much. Okay, here's what we're getting. Oh, I think they said no lights or anything too. Yeah, that's why I was thinking it must have been a battery connection issue because it wasn't a sound. It's because they text me. I just forget what people say. I've talked to so many people, but then when I see the symptom, I'm like, oh, that's what they said. It's so dark in here. It's the middle of the morning. The sun should be up. I'm not used to this. It's always clear skies and hot out here. At least it's not snowing, I'll tell you that much. And the high today is like 66. It's barely, I don't even think it's fall yet. So that's awesome. So that's nice that we get a free fall day. Or 2, hopefully. Maybe it'll last till tomorrow. Anyways, can you see that? Nothing, no lights. So I think we got a connection issue. Let's hook up that jump start and see if it'll start. If not, then we got something else going on, a main fuse or something. That'd be bad. It's hard to say. That looks like it's connected fine. Boost mode. Correct. Boost it. Boost us, baby. Show us what we got. Oh yeah, there's lights. There's lights. Oh yeah, she starts. So what? We got a connection issue. Nice easy call out in the morning. Let's get this done, make sure their tires are filled up, and then I gotta go to Dave's. I'll probably make a separate video on that. But that's nice, they'll be able to use their car for work here in an hour. I'll be done in 20 minutes. All right, I've got my fleece on. So it's just sprinkling, I'm fine. If it was raining any harder though, I might get wet. If I was gonna be out here for an hour. Actually, I was gonna say, I'm gonna put this on the tires. I don't know how that works yet though. Let's see. Yeah, 2.4 bar PSI. Let's go like 32 and top off their tires. It's kind of early in the morning, but it's after 8, so I'm not worried about people making noise complaints. This thing shouldn't be loud either way. My truck's way louder than this. My truck's gonna be way louder than this, and I pulled up in here idling for 30 seconds. All right, let's go ahead and top these off. All right, that's nice. That filled it. All right, that's nice. That filled it up good. It's raining. I'm just gonna try and get this done quick. I think the battery might be dead though. I'm gonna take the terminals off and test it. So we might have a parasitic draw, but it should have worked the first time they put the battery in, and it never did. Oh, actually, I might have an umbrella. I was gonna say, this is ridiculous. I think about my umbrella more for the sun than I do for the rain, if that tells you anything. Here we go. This should be waterproof. First time I've tried it in the rain. Guess I'll just hold that. Where'd I put my wrench? Let's go find my wrench. Where'd I put it? Yeah, no way I'm doing that other starter after this. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. So just check back on the next, that wasn't even tight. On the next episode for going up to Dave's. All right, let's stay off that. Why? Why? All right, I need gloves. This is meant for a refrigerator. My hands are wet. No, they're not gonna go on. Why are you on it? Get off! Get off! Get off! Right. This one. Shoot. That's why she ain't even tight. It don't need to be squished on there. Oh. I can always charge this with the alternator in that YESPER though. Why are these terminals like this? Stop. Positive? Sure is. Is this really dead? Can you see that? Stop. Golly. I'm getting frustrated in this rain. Weatherman lied to me. I would have postponed this one too. Not joking. Get off! It's dead. Why is it dead? Why is that dead? Why is it raining so hard? Holy moly. Alright. This is crazy. I was not expecting this today. Hopefully it stops when I take my parts up to Dave's. We're gonna have to cover them up. I'm gonna try and charge this with the alternator first and then test for parasitic draw. So I'm gonna give it 5-10 minutes running. Get off. This is ridiculous. These terminals are ridiculous. It's not the alternator. So I was wondering if it was running on that jump box earlier. So I'll test the voltage output. It should be 14 volts. If so, then see if this battery takes a charge. It's gotta be that battery. Or a parasitic draw. But it didn't work the first time they put it on. All right, it's kind of putting out 15 volts though. Can you see that? That seems really high to me. Something's going on. So I'm gonna turn this off. I don't want this battery to explode in my face. I literally just turned that off though, and it's already completely dead. So I can't say whether or not that alternator's killing this battery. I don't think till I get a battery that's not completely dead, loading up the system or doing something weird on the system here. It's definitely gonna have a warranty, so for right now, probably just go get him a new battery. If that works though, that's gonna be the end of the video. Oh, look at that. It's trying to come alive. It's trying to, but that means it's got like 2 volts in there. And yeah, that's all it was. I put it on my battery charger. It never took a charge. And I guess it was bad from the box. I guess they don't come in boxes though. Bad from the get-go. Anyways, they got a new battery. It had a warranty. They just exchanged it out and it started up just fine. I was talking to them the whole time we did that though, and I didn't get any footage, but you saw the car running just fine once you got it jumped off. All it was a dead battery, brand new. I've seen some other parts dead right out of the box, but not a battery like that. So that was a first for me. Let me know if you've ever seen that. I've seen alternators and starters and whatnot, but never a battery that just showed up dead. They said it never started once. Maybe somebody returned it or something, I don't know. Or maybe they hooked it up backwards. Let me know what you think, and check out this next video up here. I'll see you there. That's a job well done. Let's get to Dave's.